Number 2. Corsair Vengeance DDR5 5200C38. You're in the market for top-notch memory, and the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 5200C38 is worth your attention. Known for ample memory capacity, this kit suits professionals like content creators, software developers, and data scientists who demand robust performance. Despite not being a speed demon, Vengeance DDR5 5200C38 stands out. It supports a wide range of tasks due to its high capacity. Running multiple applications smoothly without hiccups is now possible. This memory kit feels like an asset, ensuring your workflow is uninterrupted. Second, the current AMD and Intel processors are compatible. While it technically overclocks, DDR5 5200 meets various hardware setups. Your mileage might vary, but you generally get a reliable performance boost, beneficial for intensive tasks. Expect a hefty price, but think of it as an investment for serious use. This RAM isn't for average users, but for those whose work demands heavy memory usage. You get what you pay for, and in professional settings, this investment can pay off handsomely. What do I love most? Definitely its ability to handle large workloads with ease. Juggling hefty software or vast datasets becomes a breeze. Real-world performance lives up to expectations, making complex multitasking seamless. However, the cost is steep. It feels like a small fortune to spend for memory. Yet, if your work justifies it, this becomes less of a drawback. A premium product for demanding tasks is bound to carry a premium price tag. As a whole, Vengeance DDR5 5200C38 provides a valuable edge, especially for professional use. Consider checking out this memory kit to elevate your computing experience. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.